one of the masters of oval racing.
Yeah, this is great stuff. And Herder there maintaining his line into turn one. Carpentier has to back off. Andretti gets a run down the back straight on the inside into turn three, but
they've hit, and Carpentier sideways in front of us, and he goes backwards into the wall. He managed to hold it for a long time, but he's hitting the wall hard. There's damage to Michael's car as well. What a shame, this battle for the lead that was so good, and they make contact as they tried to make the move into turn number three. Andretti was down the inside. You hear Michael saying, I can't believe he did that on the radio. No. He can't believe what's happened.
I can't either. I mean, he clearly had a run down the inside there, and yeah, it's all very well saying that I've got just as fast a car as you, but Michael Andretti clearly had the run there. He had the inside line. You could see his nose was ahead from the inboard camera, and all of a sudden, Carpentier tries to make the move down on from the outside line, and it's really not going to work. There have to be some give and take in this sort of racing. It's very early stages here. Michael Andretti, he clearly had a fast car. It was just a matter of time before he was going to get past Carpentier, and there was the move he made. It was clean, and Carpentier tried to shut the door. Too late, Patrick.
Yeah, I agree with you there, Jeremy. I think that Michael had the run on him, and it was a foolish move on Patrick's part. Let's take a look. He had a good run. He was coming down the inside. Look at that point, side by side. I mean, what was Patrick still closing in there? It was just too optimistic, and all that was ever going to happen was exactly what happened. End of Patrick's race as much as end of Michael's race, and it's really, perhaps it's just a sign of Patrick trying a little bit too hard. Okay, you can see there just a light contact and then a fairly heavy contact against the wall.
Yeah, I think that what's significant here is that they were side by side, and once they are side by side, the overtaking driver has the momentum. He really has the line on